Today we're going to talk about Flourish Excel. Flourish Excel is an organic carbon source for plants. Flourish Excel mimics photosynthetic intermediates. So during photosynthesis, plants are going to produce this long carbon chain molecule. It has a 5 carbon chain backbone. And Flourish Excel is going to mimic that huge carbon molecule and give it to plants so that they don't have to produce it themselves during photosynthesis. In an aquarium, carbon is almost always the limiting factor for plant growth. Plants utilize carbon in order to create new tissue, grow bigger and stronger stems, grow leaves. The only way that a plant can get carbon into the aquarium is, of course, injecting CO2 or by gas exchange at the surface of the water. So carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is going to enter via the surface of the water and equilibrate into the system. In every aquarium, there is not enough surface area for enough CO2 to enter to allow the plants to grow enough. So you either have to inject CO2 or you have to dose a carbon source like Flourish Excel. In every planted tank, it can be used. You can use it with CO2, without CO2, but would definitely recommend if you're going to keep plants to use some Flourish Excel.